Alright, so right now we're in Antigua. You see what I say? With the J Brothers. You see it? So right now, we'll ask some question. If they will spend, people will spend 99 days in a jail, or make their girlfriend or their boyfriend go through their phone.
Simple question.
You see it? Journey with us. You spend 99 days in a jail or you make a man go through your phone. Which one?
Boy.
Huh?
Jail boy.
Yeah, jail. You're so behind it. Would you make a girlfriend go through your phone or you spend 90 days in a jail?
Well, me why did she go to the phone? Because 90 days in the jail now, yeah, wait for me boss. When she go to the phone, she see a pushy business. She not gonna stress me. You understand?
Nah, stress you.
No, me never said she did.
Alright. 99 days or you make your husband go through your phone. Which one, mommy?
No, I may go to the phone.
You know me, he go to your phone.
And now your husband go to your phone.
Go to jail time.
We all do 99 days in a jail and come back.
You know me, he go to your phone. 99 days in a jail or you make your boyfriend go to your phone. That's it. Which one you do?
Where coming going? Coming go.
You make him go to your phone?
Yes.
What make you make him go to your phone? You're not afraid to get in trouble?
Nothing in there.
You're not in there?
Not a thing in there.
Alright.
Say that number in there.
He said you're not in there. Alright, let me hear you. What you do? You make him go to your phone?
Have me say, make it go to the phone. Have me say, go to 99 days.
Alright, let me hear the half first. Why? You make him go to?
Suppose nothing in the phone to hide.
No,
and then
phone to hide.
suppose something in the phone to hide, then you just go jail.
Oh God, you look like you're a bad one, you know. No, shut them, you do.
Nothing in the phone for hide.
Not 99 phone for
Go
you.
to the phone. Go to the
You
phone.
got through the phone, what?
I'm done.
Alright, what about you?
You can go to the phone.
You got through the phone, so now not for you.
No.
How the boy like so fearful?
Because I'm lying.
Lying 99 days in a jail or you make your girlfriend go through your
Check
phone?
the charge port. Check the charge port. See if I
Me hear what you answer.
see if I
You make she go to your phone?
Mommy.
Oh me?
Kind of makes sense to spend 99 days.
A jail? Alright. Would you spend 99 days in a jail or you make a man go through your phone?
Jail.
Yeah, 99, so you want to make your man go to your phone? Yeah. You spend 99 days in a jail or you make your man go to your phone?
Let me go to the phone.
Yeah,
They're for the jail thing.
you know what? Make your boyfriend go to your phone or you spend 99 days in a jail?
I think go to my phone.
You probably make you go to your phone? So you're not hype on your boyfriend? So you said, what is my phone here? Go through my phone, Ozzy, because I'm not going to jail. You want to do that?
Well, maybe whatever I see in Seaborn, the fact that me going to jail,
Now, let me ask you a question. Will you guys spend 99 days in a jail or you make your man or your woman go through your phone? Your husband or your wife go through your phone? Anyone?
husband go through my phone.
Husband go through your phone. So you go to your husband and say, babes, see my phone, you go through it because I'm not going to jail. Yeah? Alright. Let me hear. What you do for you?
Ask me.
Huh? Would you make your...
100 days in jail.
100, no 99, 100.
100. Sleep comfortable. No business, 100 days in jail.
100 days, okay? You don't give your phone up.
No phone.
No phone.
And I'm taking the phone with me to jail.
So would you spend 99 days in jail or give your boyfriend your phone to go through? Which one?
Give it to him.
Give it to him?
Yeah.
What about you?
Give it to him.
Give it. So you say, alright, babe, see my phone and go through it. I'm not going to jail. So you gonna do it?
Yeah, nothing there.
Nothing in the hide. Huh? 99 days in a jail.
99 days in a jail.
Yeah, or make your man go through your phone. Which one?
Boy, that one is sticky now. Let me, Mike, like, go through my message and...
I said, babe, go through my phone because I'm not going to jail for this.
That boy, me go bang the time, boy.
Right. Time 99 days a jail or give your boyfriend your phone.
Boyfriend, my phone.
So you say, babe, hey, see my phone here. Go through it.
Yeah, nothing there.
You don't know if you hide. If I make your woman go to your phone, or you do 99 days in a jail?
Days in a jail.
Years in a jail. Or you make your man go through your phone? Let me hear you first.
Me can spend the 99 days in a jail.
99 days in a jail? What about you?
Time the phone, you can't go for this.
I say you can't go to the phone? You not spend no time in jail? No, man. Alright, would you do 99 days in a jail, or you make your man go to your phone?
Yeah, my man can't go for it.
So you say, babe, see my phone, I go along through it.
Yes, man.
Just like that?
Just
Will you do 99 days in a jail, or you give your boyfriend the phone? So you say, babes, see my phone, I go through it, because I don't do no time at jail. So you do it? Huh? So you just give him just like that? You don't know question, ask nothing?
True love, baby.
So you know nothing to hide?
That's a hard one.
That's why I ask you.
You want to hear this?
Which one?
That is a hard one.
So you know me go to the phone? You don't want to do jail time? You have to pick one of them, man. Never mind the jail time. Will you ever spend 99 days in a jail or you make your man go to your phone?
I'd rather go to jail.
You're not going to jail? Alright. Will you make your woman go to your phone or you spend 99 days in a jail? Which one?
She can go to the phone.
She can go to the phone?
When Milan, she gets to the phone.
How can make she go to the phone?
Because she may see something that me don't want she to see.
Alright, Papa.
So you don't spend the time up at jail?
No man, him say man make him go to the phone.
Oh, no.
You understand? Me no mind she go to, but now really she go to the phone, but me no she go to the phone.
Alright,
But
Papa.
see, that's why me have two phone.
You have a little banger for them.
Look at me, look at.
I tell you, say, Papa.
Hold on, take up the thing. Me have a little bang bang. Bang bang. A little bang bang, right?
Yeah.
And me had the big one with the internet. The internet.
Say me she go to the bang bang.
Yeah, then she go to the bang bang. The one with Facebook. That was the one in there. Oh, man, she do that. I took it. Yeah, I have 99 girlfriends. 3 in England.
Yeah.
5 in Antigua. Well, 2 in Barbuda and just gone back at England. And I have 3 in America.
Yeah.
I'm been married 4 times already.
Yeah. So you have your days not done then,
I'm
man.
bad when leaving the batter. I'm 7 pick me, have no. And 6 grand pick me.
So you don't want to move?
Me no want to go. I know me want.